In this video, you will learn how to make this Minecraft monkey. And see how you can change this cube to this monkey. And finally, you will learn how to make this beautiful animation. Cool, isn't it? So let's go! First of all, add a plane. Then press S and scale it. Then go to Edit mode and select Edge and use the E button to extrude it. Select this edge and with Ctrl+B bevel it. Now let's add our monkey. With G button to grab it. And with R you can rotate this monkey. Now let's add material to our plane and monkey. Okay. Select plane and go to modifier and type remesh. Oopsie. What happened to our plane? Don't worry, we will make it. Just select blocks. Yeah. Welcome to Minecraft world. Now just change the octree depth value and choose what you want. Now do the same for monkey. Okay, let's animate. Put the octree depth on 1 and hit the keyframe button and go as far forward as you like. Then increase the octree depth and hit the keyframe button again. Do it again for the plane. Now play. What's this voxel? Let's select monkey and select voxel. You can see that when we change the value of voxel size, our monkey changes so beautiful. We can use this and make fantastic animations. To make animation, you have already learned this work. Just change the values a little with me and don't forget the keyframe button. It's extraordinary. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. We will be back with other fascinating videos. Goodbye.